Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in Nifty index futures and options today. Let us see what happened on last Thursday. On last Thursday, the price opened here 18,260. After the price opening, the price found various support around 18,260, went up and closed near 18,360. And today you can expect the market open somewhere near 18,420 and 440. You can go for buying till 18360 by placing stop at 18340, expecting the price to hit various target marked as possible resistance. Once the price approaches 18,560, 18,600, within this range you can expect some sort of resistance. And how we can put this in the options market. Now let us see what are the time left for expiry. So we have hardly some 8 to 9 working days for till expiry. We had already framed a few strategies, and out of those strategies few are in trouble. And on Friday we had presented a video explanation about the option adjustments. If you have missed those videos, please go and see that again. So the first strategy which is in trouble is let us go and see that. Yes, this we sold 18300 call option, and we bought back 18400 put option. Now the price is trading around or above 18400. So already for this adjustment we tried to buy 1800 call option when the price was moving above 18,060, and we have not included that in this portfolio. And now what you're seeing is the same. We are going to do some adjustments for today. So the best adjustment is we should sell 18600 call and buy back 18700 call option in the October month contract, and we are going 3x. That is, we are going for 15 lots. We took 5 lots, and now we are taking 15 lots of credit. So this can give us somewhere around some 10,000 to 11,000 rupees credit. So the objective behind this is very simple, as we had mentioned earlier on the Friday video presentation. Two things you can do when your spread is in trouble. One is you can go and buy some call option, which we did earlier, and or you can add another credit spread. So our objective is quite clear that we believe that this even though when the price is climbing every day, it will find some resistance around 600 to 700 ranges. So we had selected this 18600 700 spread, and we had taken more lotages. So this can act as a protection if the price finds resistance, and if it is dropping down and closing below 18500 or 18600, we will get that profit. If the market finds resistance anywhere, and within this 9 trading session, if it is coming down and closing below 18300 or 18400, we can completely recover from this position. That's our objective. So let us see how this is going to work out. This is not the only spread which is in trouble. There are a few more positions which we took around 18500. So we have 18500 sell and 18500 we have taken 2 positions. And what we will do for those 18500, we will follow the same same thing what we are trying to do for this credit spread. Since the price is trading around 440 and 460 levels, we will wait and see whether the price is moving above 18500. So if the price is moving above 18500, for protection, what you can do, you can go and buy this 18 let us see the option chain. So you can go and buy this 18500 call option. Okay, we can buy this 18500 call option, and let us see the chart for this 18500. So this is the chart for 18500 call option. Earlier it found resistance around 120 and the price fell down. Now it is finding some it's trading around 120. If we get this position around 120 rupees, we will go and buy. All depends upon, we need to watch the market closely, whether the price is moving above 18500. If the price is moving above 18500, but we will add these buy positions. We will buy the 18500 call, or we will try to move this 18 we will try to buy some in the money option also, so to protect it. Let us see whether we can add other credit spread tomorrow. So all depends upon how the price is going to react for today. Based on that, we will make some adjustments for tomorrow. So till now, the one of the position which is in trouble, we have made some adjustment. Let us see how things are moving. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Kindly open trading account with Goodwill, and for account opening give miss call to 937 927 and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Take care. Bye.